This video will show you how to use department settings. Click on Department Settings in the Settings dashboard in the Settings panel. Click on the Add New Department button to add a department. Click on Add Program to add a new program as per your institution. You can add multiple programs under a department. Click on the Finish button, and you will be redirected to the Institute Manager dashboard in the Institute Manager panel. You can see the department created on the Institute Manager dashboard. Here in the Institute Manager, you can add the subjects in the respective course and your course will be ready.